can't come. Make sure you bring a ring home. Shut down. Say I'm broken, broken, broken. Top down. Riding on, rolling, rolling, rolling.
Let's do it. It's about to be a movie. J-Rose is here for the boobies. Shit, you know the vibes.
What time you coming over? I just wanna lean up on your shoulder. Tell me how it sounds, baby, can you tell me? You coming over? I just wanna lean up on your shoulder. Tell me how it sounds, baby, can you tell me? You ain't gotta ask. Ran into some problems, but we left it in the past. Sex on the sofa. Tell me what time you coming over. I just wanna lean up on your shoulder. Tell me how it sounds, baby, can you tell me? Sex on the sofa. Tell me what time you coming over. I just wanna lean up on your shoulder. Tell me how it sounds, baby, can you tell me?
Yo, what's good, J-Rose family? We're out here cruising down USC. It's a sunset. Valentine's Day, as you can see, we got heads. What I was saying is like, it's not about when you're down or when you're up. It's about keeping moving and making the right decisions. As you can see, we're in beautiful California, so I can't complain at all. You already know. Yo, Ben, where we at?
We in the studio right now. Dominique been here. We about to make some hits.
Indeed.
Shout out J-Rose on the beat. We going
Hey, you
crazy.
see where we at? Okay.
Crazy.
Pit room right now.
Yep.
Top in. This studio is crazy. Look at this place. Yo, so tell them what just went down.
So of course, you know, J-Rose blessed us with getting this here hit. We had to come with something ratchet. We wanted to kind of, because we want to show different sides of Dominique Danielle, right?
Yeah.
There's a singer, there's a rapper, then there's a sexy, there's a sweet, there's a spicy, there's a we giving all that. So Jay allowed us to do this one, give you that ratchet juice. Look out for that. Now we getting ready to get into that singing bag. You know what I'm saying? Make them feel it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Just show that
Yeah,
softer
you already
side.
know what we're doing out here. We got the ratchet tracks and we got the singing bangers. You already know it's J-Rose on the beat. Okay, we dropped some shit real quick. It's bouncing right now. We about to turn up and we about to get on to the next song, you know?
Yes.
Just one after the other, you know
Let's
what I'm
do this shit, Jay.
Yes,
We in here.
sir.
We in here.
Hey. All the way from Atlanta and Toronto to
Oh,
LA.
right? No, seriously.
Yes, sir.
Then I miss him, I'm barely making decisions, but life is making me living, so no reminiscing on the vibe. Even though I feel it inside, you can catch me outside.
We getting that pizza in.
Hit me weekend, you know I'll be up anytime you ring. I'ma pick up when you call, baby, and not that I want it all. Give me if I'm coming out strong. You be on my mind all day, all night, at the
up?
BGA's bring out his, man. We got J-Rose on the beat. Hey, look, we got Dominique on the track, man. Yo, that money been going crazy.
Hit me when you can, you know I'll be up. Anytime you ring, I'ma pick up when you call, baby. You know that I want it all. Excuse me if I'm coming off strong. You be on my mind all day, all night. It be all day, all night, baby. I would never leave you alone. Baby, you know that I want it all. You be on my mind all day. Tell me how it sounds, baby.
Can you tell me? Sex on the sofa.
Tell me what time you coming home. I just wanna lean up on your shoulder. Tell me how it sounds, baby. Can you tell me? We're different than the first night basis. You must be crazy. You thought you was the one. Your nigga had my baby, and now I'm number one. Turning up the spot, we can really loose, we can crop. And if you wanna play me, well let me tell you something. Hey, loose,
green light, and it's toxic when it goes bad. And she said she love my throwbacks. Baby girl spin wild that. No, I hate to really look back. Silence in the air like how. And I miss your smile. See palm trees for miles. Got me tripping, I've been tripping for a while. Really can't describe how I'm feeling when I'm in my zone. Used to sip that cup when I'm feeling low.